You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million.
Tá vendo uma anta ali, ó?
É que eu queria sair do platina, mas é difícil, meu irmão. Eu atirei depois de 2 segundos, tá no chão. Precisa nem conversar. Quando tu mira na minha cabeça, te mandei pra debaixo da terra. Já te mandei pra debaixo da terra. Já te mandei pra debaixo da terra. Eu na ranqueada, irmão. Só atirou, caiu no chão, bug de mira, irmão. É os cara da padrão, bug de mira, irmão. Eu na ranqueada, irmão. Só atirou, caiu no chão, bug de mira, irmão. É os cara da padrão, bug de mira, irmão. Só tirou, caiu no chão, bug de mira, irmão. É os cara da padrão, bug de mira, irmão.
Ainda ali no bar, manda pra elas.
DJ Dani no bar. Pegou a visão? Pegou a visão? Pegou a visão?
Sei que tu queria sair do platina, mas é difícil, meu irmão. Eu atirei depois de 2 segundos, cê tá no chão. Precisa nem conversar. Quando tu mira na minha cabeça, já te mandei pra debaixo da terra. Já te mandei pra debaixo da terra. Já te mandei pra debaixo da terra. Eu na ranqueada, irmão. Só atirou, caiu no chão, bug de mira, irmão. É os cara da padrão, bug de mira, irmão. Eu na ranqueada, irmão. Só atirou, caiu no chão, bug de mira, irmão. É os cara da padrão, bug de mira, irmão.
Desceu? Ah, você vai de lança. Você vai que pena que eu também tenho.
Só atirou, caiu no chão, bug de mira, irmão. É os cara da padrão, bug de mira, irmão.
Ainda ali no bar, manda pra elas.
DJ Dani no bar.
Vocês atiraram junto, vocês pensam que vocês aqui, hein?
Pegou a visão? Pegou a visão? Pegou a visão?
I keep on working, got purpose and worth. Music's my cure and this world is my purse. Get rid of this curse with every verse. Of course I've been hurt, but some have been much worse. Leave me alone, get out of my head. Block out the opinions until I am dead. They all go to speak, but you listen instead. Listen some more and you'll cease to regret. I keep on working, I got it on track. You gonna see my name up on a flag. I sail this ship and I'll never come back. I keep this bitch on the line to attack. Never look back, I make a record like Crash. Top of my bracket I smash, hot like a pack. I'm about to stack it like cash. It's gonna happen so fast. Never changed myself, I've always stayed the same, no doubt. I've always played the game all out, and I am here to stay right now. So don't call it a comeback.
Olha! O paraquedas na minha frente!
I ain't running here to stay, steady gunning, do my thing. I don't look the other way, I stare that motherfucker straight. Don't care what they say, nah, everyone's the same. Don't get caught up in their games, just pick a lane and do your thing. I don't just wanna be great, I'll be the best. Make everybody forget all the rest. Man, I feel blessed, bulletproof vest. Hold on my chest for that haters request. I'll be okay, I pick my lane. I'ma stick to it like horse of the fame. This is the game that we all play, and I'm gonna win, get the fuck out my way. Change myself, I've always stayed the same, no doubt. I've always played the game all out, and I am here to stay right now. So don't call it a comeback. You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're driven.
There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back. You ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you, face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not, think a stray kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying. I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south. You're never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back.
I keep on working, got purpose and worth. Music's my cure and this world is my purse. Get rid of this curse with every verse. Of course I've been hurt, but somehow they're much worse. Leave me alone, get out of my head.